This is your War Brief Daily for June 14th, 2026, covering the Iran and wider Middle East theater. Here is the defining contradiction of this moment. On Saturday, June 13, U.S. forces were shooting down Iranian drones in the Strait of Hormuz. And on that same day, President Trump declared a peace deal would be signed within 24 hours. War and diplomacy are not running sequentially. They are running simultaneously. Tonight, we are tracking 3 updates. U.S. forces intercept Iranian drones over the Strait of Hormuz. The U.S.-Iran peace deal is on the razor's edge, with both governments projecting opposite timelines. And Israel struck Hezbollah in southern Lebanon again, keeping the northern front fully active. Update 1. Strait of Hormuz drone intercept. This is confirmed. Early Saturday, U.S. forces intercepted and destroyed multiple Iranian drones targeting commercial ships transiting the Strait of Hormuz. Confirmed by CNN, The Hindu, and U.S. military sourcing. This comes inside a broader maritime confrontation. Under the U.S. blockade of Iranian ports, active since April 13, CENTCOM struck the Palau-flagged tanker MT Setabelo this week. 3 Indian sailors were killed. A second vessel carrying 24 Indian crew was also struck. India formally summoned a senior U.S. diplomat and issued a strong protest. Trump accused Iran of targeting Indian ships. Iran called that charge baseless. The strait carries roughly 20% of global daily oil flow. It is a live combat zone with 2 governments telling 2 completely different stories. Update 2. U.S.-Iran peace deal. This is emerging and still developing. Saturday, Trump posted on Truth Social that the deal is, quote, scheduled to get signed tomorrow. Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson Baghai responded within hours, signing, quote, will not be tomorrow. 2 governments, 1 day, 2 opposite timelines. Iranian Foreign Minister Araghchi stated the agreement would resolve Lebanon and, quote, all other fronts. The Guardian and CNN report a memorandum of understanding is being finalized. But Iran has stated it will not cede control of the strait under the current draft terms. That is the unresolved sticking point. Assess this as a credible but unconfirmed diplomatic development. Update 3. Lebanon front. This is confirmed. Saturday, the IDF struck dozens of Hezbollah targets in southern Lebanon after issuing fresh evacuation warnings. The IDF confirmed the strikes. Lebanon's government confirmed impacts in the south. The proposed peace framework reportedly covers all fronts, but Lebanon is an independent variable. Netanyahu has stated full Hezbollah disarmament is a prerequisite for peace. Hezbollah has not accepted that condition. Reports of Iran launching rockets at Israel in response to Saturday's strikes are still emerging. That exchange is not yet confirmed at source. Here is what to watch. Whether the peace deal is signed Sunday, look for a joint official statement or another round of conflicting declarations. Whether Iran escalates in the strait or stands down to protect deal momentum. Whether Hezbollah responds to Saturday's IDF strikes with its own fire. The India-U.S. diplomatic fallout from the killed Indian sailors. And the pending Iran-Oman joint statement on Hormuz. If and when it drops, it will tell you whether a deal is real. Those are your key updates for June 14. This is your War Brief Daily.